Welcome to Mike Toller Chrysler Dodge Jeep, where it is another beautiful day here in Morehead City, North Carolina. We are taking a look right now at a 2009 Dodge Ram Crew Cab. This vehicle has been redesigned for 2009. The Crew Cab gives you a little bit extra room in the cab, a little bit smaller bed. This vehicle here basically has it all. It has the side rails, as you can see, factory tow package, side steps, and it also features a legendary Hemi engine. That engine right there shuts down to 4 cylinders when you're on the highway for better fuel economy. Let's check out how much room this thing has. With the bucket seats in the front, you can clearly see there's plenty of room for the driver and for the passenger. And the vehicle is nicely equipped. You have automatic headlamps, steering wheel mounted audio controls where you can change the volume. You can go through your driver information center right there, see how much fuel you have until you run empty. This vehicle is running, even though it's real quiet. That Hemi pushes about 380 horsepower, but runs real quiet and is pretty good on fuel. Upgraded sound system here. You can see right there we have a touchscreen radio, AM, FM, satellite, even a hard disk drive so you can upload your music just like you would an iPod. You have nice setup right here with the climate control, tow haul feature, and then you have the gear shift, and right there you can see that plus or minus, it's basically a transmission where you can manually shift the gears without having to use a clutch. Stepping into the rear of the vehicle, wait till you see how much room this thing has. Reminiscent to that Mega Cab. Plenty of room in the back, and that seat's pretty far back. Could easily fit 5 people in this truck, 2 in the front, 3 in the back. A couple little features here. A little storage container, tools, beverages, whatever you want to keep. You have one on each side, one behind the driver and one behind the passenger. These seats fold up. Gives you plenty of room. You can lay stuff flat. And yet another storage bin in here. Like I said, this vehicle here is very comfortable for a long trip. You have to move a bunch of people around. You still have an ample sized bed. And all the comfort and equipment you could want. Let's take a look again at how much room there is in that thing. Like I said, it's the all new 2009 Dodge Ram Crew Cab here at Mike Toller Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Morehead City. Visit us at www.miketoller.com. That's www.miketoller.com. Or call us up, 252-247-2003. We'd love to talk to you and show off this beautiful truck. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.